Hey, I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Today I'm going to show you how to install a Tusk Stage 1 upgrade kit on your Can-Am Maverick Trail. The Stage 1 kit is the most basic kit out of the three options, but it comes with the essential items you're going to want while you're out on the trail. So what this kit comes with is your half windshield. You also have the alloy mirrors with A-pillar mounts, and the Force aluminum roof. All high quality accessories. These are really easy to install, so let me show you how. To start out, we're going to install our roof. So first thing we want to do is make sure it's clean. I'm going to use some soapy water on a rag and wipe it down. After that, we're going to install the two roll cage clamps in the back. So first we're going to remove that button head bolt from the flat section and then remove the back of the clamp. Now we're not going to be using the rubber strip that comes inside. And when you install this, we're just measuring 4.5 inches from that weld on the inside. Come out 4.5 inches, and that's going to be the outside of our clamp. And when you put the backside of the clamp on, just make sure you leave it loose enough so you can make adjustments with this, and then we'll go do the same thing on the other side. Next, we're going to install some foam tape on top of the roll cage, and that's just going to help dampen vibrations going to the roof. So with this stuff, we're just going to go down both sides and across the front of the roll cage. Next, we're going to set the roof into place. You might want to have a friend help you do this. Then we can install the hardware, make adjustments, center it from side to side and front to back, and then tighten it down. And keep in mind, with this hardware on top, you want to tighten down both bolts going into the roll cage clamps. And then once you're done with that, you're going to tighten the back of the clamps. Next, we're going to get the mirrors installed. So we'll start out by installing the mirror mounts. Now, normally there's a plastic cover over the A-pillars. You've got two Torx bit screws right here that you need to pull out and then remove the plastic cover. But our machine is actually missing that piece. So the next thing we're going to do is one side at a time, we're going to remove the A-pillar bolts. This is just a 15mm deep socket. And we're not going to reuse the A-pillar bolts, but we will reuse those nylock nuts. Now for the mirror mounts, the mount is going to turn up like this. We've got the spacer on the back side, and the two M10 by 45mm bolts are going to go all the way through. And then we've got the nylock nuts on the back. After that, we're going to install the mirrors. So we've got a 5mm Allen. We're going to remove that button head bolt from the end of the mirror and keep track of the star washer. Then the bolt is going to go through the back side or the inside of that mirror mount. The star washer is going to go on, and then we'll thread that into the mirror. Adjust the mirror where you want it, and then go ahead and tighten the button head bolt down. Now we're going to do the same steps for the other side. The only difference is we need to line up the Tusk logo. So if we put the mirror the way it's supposed to be, we're going to take our 3/16 inch Allen. We're going to loosen that bolt up in the middle, rotate that mirror, until that logo is squared up. Then we'll go ahead and tighten it down. Moving on, we're going to install the half windshield. We need to prep this thing first, so we've laid out a blanket, and the half windshield, I have the hook at the top. That's going to be facing down. Then we're going to remove this protective film from the back side. Now I'm wearing some rubber gloves to keep my fingerprints off this. Now we got this D-shaped seal. This is going to be facing inside the cab. We're going to go just across the bottom, just like that. So we're going to remove that adhesive backing from here. I'm going to flip this over. I'll remove the protective film from the other side. Then we're going to go set this in place on the machine. Now as I set this into place, you'll notice this tab at the bottom. There's a little groove down there we're going to hook that into. Then we're going to take the roll cage clamps, wrap the strap around the roll cage. We're going to feed that through the slot in the half windshield. Go through the bar on the clamp. And we can wrap that back around. We just want to push this back through for now. And once that's through, you can pull on the strap and tighten this up and adjust the windshield where you want it. And that's all there is to installing the Tusk Stage 1 Upgrade Kit on your Can-Am Maverick Trail. Again, it's simple to do, and if you need this kit, it's available on our website. So be sure to check that out and any other accessories you might want. Now, if you have any questions about the install process, leave those questions down in the comments below. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.